This is a fit for a 2010 through 2020 and likely beyond Toyota 4Runner with factory installed raised side rails with factory crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima OffGrid Medium with the OffGrid Medium Extension. We found this to be an excellent fit, perfect proportions with the roof line. This basket is a tubular steel and plate steel basket. The extension adds 18 inches to the otherwise 40-inch length of the OffGrid Medium basket. Included with the basket are adjustable and removable crossbars that use tamper-resistant fasteners to secure it to the sides of the basket. Also included is an aerodynamic wind deflector to reduce wind noise and wind drag. Mounting hardware is included using a very low profile stainless steel rubberized band to grip to the factory crossbars. The hardware allows micro adjustability to get the perfect position and no interference with the rear antenna. Other dimensions of this basket, 44 inches width, and it sits approximately 7 inches above the crossbars. This product and a full assortment of accessories for the OffGrid series of baskets and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.